So welcome friends. Today our topic is multiplication tricks, right? So how to solve the multiplication in just 5 seconds only, right? So multiplication is very much important in your campus drive exam, I mean in aptitude, or in your bank exam or railway exam or any competitive board exam, right? So today we'll be solving three methods, where one is 2 digit cross 2 digit multiplication, then 3 digit to 2 digit multiplication, and then 3 digit to 3 digit multiplication, right? So we'll starting with the 2 digit to 2 digit. So here we are taking the example 22 into 32, right? So our first step will be, I will multiply the last digit of this two number, that is 2 and the 2, right? So it will become 4, right? Then in our second step, what we will be doing, 22 cross 32, we will take the first digit of this number and we will multiply with the last digit of this number, okay? And again we will take the last digit of this number and and we will multiply this with the first number. So the first number with the last number and the last number with the first number, right? And then we will add it up. So what will be the answer? 3 cross 2 it's 6, and then 2 cross 2 it's 4. So 6 plus 4 it's 10, right? So here we will put 0 of the 10 and 1 will be our carry, okay? Now in our third step, what we will be doing, we will just multiply the first digits only, okay? See, here we have done the last digits. In our last step we are doing the first digit. So 3 cross 2 it's 6, right? So here instead of 6 we will add this 6 with the carry of the before number, right? So it will become 7, okay? It was coming 6, but as there was a carry, we will add this carry to this number, whatever the number may be, 1, 2 or 3, it will be added up with this 6. So here we got 1, so we have added up 6 with 1, and then we got 7, right? 62 cross 53, okay? So what will be the answer? Do it first. 3 cross 2 it's 6, then 5 cross 2 10, 3 cross 6 18, 10 and 18 will become 28, the 2 will be carry, and 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 it will be 32, 3 2 8 6, it is the answer. Okay, this method has another one advantage, and that is how to find out square within a second, right? So we are taking square of let's take 53, right? So 53 square will be 53 cross 53. So what we are doing now, 3 cross 3 it's 9, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 15 that will be 30, 0, and 3 will be carry, and then 5 cross 5 that will be 25, 25 plus 3 that will be 28. So you can see. Okay, let's move to our next question, that will be 3 digit to 2 digit multiplication. So we are taking the example 122 cross 32, right? So what will be our answer? So in our first step, what we are going to do, the same thing, 122 cross 32, right? So we will multiply the last two digits first, okay? Then in our second step, what we are going to do, we are just going to omit this number first, okay? Just say this number is not there, and you are doing the second step now. That is what, you are multiplying the first digit to the last digit of that number and the last digit to the first digit of that number, and you are going to add it up at last, right? So here 3 cross 2 is 6 and 2 cross 2 is 4, so the multiplication will be 10, right? so the 0 will be here and the 1 will be carried out here, right? And in our third step, what we are going to do, we are writing 122 cross 32. Okay, now instead of 1 we will omit this 2. Now say the number is only 12, right? So we are going to do the same step here also, the first digit to the last digit and the last digit to the first digit, and then we will be adding this. So 3 cross 2 is 6 and 2 cross 1 is 2, so the number will become 6 plus 2 8. And as we can see here, one carry is there, so this 8 will not put up here, we have to add this one with the 8, so this will become 9, right? And in our fourth step we will do 122 cross 32, and as before the last step we are just multiplying the first to the first number, that will become 3. So here no carry is there, so we will directly put 3 here, right? Okay, you can take other examples also, and you can solve this. Method will be very efficient method if you are doing it in this method, right? So we are taking the our last example, or 3 digit to 3 digit multiplication, right? So we are taking 122 cross 132. Okay, so what will be your steps? In our first step, the first step is same for all the methods. See 132, so what we are going to do, we are just multiplying this last two digit, that is 4, right? Now in our second step, what we are doing, we are just okay, let me write 122 cross 132. Now here we will omit this digit and this digit also. Previously we are not omitting here anything, but in this case we have to omit here as well as here, right? So let's take this, there is 22 only, and let's take there is 32 only. Okay, now the method is same, the first will be multiplied with the second, a last, and the last will be multiplied with the first, and then they will be added up, right? So 3 cross 2 it's 6, and 2 cross 2 is 4, right? So adding up it will become 10, right? So the 0 will be here and 1 will be carried out, right? Oh, I'm sorry, I have made a mistake. I'm sorry, extremely sorry. I have made this mistake. Sorry. In the third step, it will become 122 cross 132. Right? Now, what we are doing, we'll just see multiply the last to the first, right? And the first to the last, right? And this middle two will be multiplied, and then the three of them will be added up. I am extremely sorry, I forgot this step. I'm sorry. So what will be the answer? 2 cross 2 it's 2, 2 cross 2 it's again 2, and 2 cross 3 it's 6, right? So 6 plus 4 it's 10 again, right? So the 10 will be multiplied with this 1, okay, and it will become 1, and the 1 will be carried out here, right? Okay, in the fourth step again we are writing 122 cross 132. Now we are going to omit these two, and here these two, that means the last digits, right? Now the method is same, the last digit to the first digit, and the okay, I'm sorry, first digit to last and last to first. 2, 2 cross 1 2, and 3 cross 1 3, and then they will be added up, it will become 5, right? 5 will be added up with this one, carry 1, so it will become 6. And in our fifth step we will getting 122 cross 132, and as before we have to multiply this one, that means the first to the first, that will become 1 only. So the answer is 16104, right? Okay, let's take another example to clarify more. That is 353. Let's take 272, right? So it's a difficult example, right? So you will need much more time if you're doing this in ordinary method. So just follow this step. So first 3 cross t 2, it's 6, right? Then what we are doing, we are omitting the first digits. Okay, so 3 sevens are 21 and 2 fives are 10. 21 31, right? 31, 1 and 3 will be carried out. Now in our third step we have to multiply 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2 6, 12 plus 5 sevens are 35, 35, that will become 47, right? And 47 3 is 50, the 5 will be carried out. Now what we are going to do, we are omitting this 2 and this 3. So 2 cross 5 10, 3 sevens are 21, so 31 plus 5, that is 36, so 3 will be carried out. Now just multiply this 3 into 2 6 and 6 3s are 9, 96016, this is your answer. Okay, so friends, hope you like the video. I think it will be helpful for your exam point of view or your campus drive. So if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel and share the video to your friends via Facebook or in YouTube. Thank you.